I'm at the coffee shop today to order a drink.
I am the barista today. A barista is a person who works at a coffee bar. I will be taking her order.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
I'd like to order a coffee, please. I really need something to wake me up.
Of course. What size would you like? Small? Medium? Or large?
Medium, please.
That is a great choice. Would you like some milk and sugar with that?
Just a dash of milk, please. No sugar.
Any syrups to add some flavor?
We've got vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
Vanilla, please.
And one more thing. Would you like any pastries with your coffee?
Is there anything in particular that you'd recommend?
Our chocolate muffin is popular.
Great. I'll take one.
Is there anything else that you'd like?
No, thank you. That would be all.
Great. Your total comes to £5 million. Are you paying by card or cash?
Cash, please. I've got the exact amount.
Thank you. Here's your medium coffee with a dash of milk. Enjoy.
Thank you.